How to fix GTA 5 lag problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 lag problem. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open settings, and once you're here, go to privacy, scroll down until you find background apps and turn it off. Now after that, just go back and then right click on GTA 5, go to properties, go to compatibility. Now just click change settings for all users and enable those two options here. Those two options, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator, and then click OK and OK again. Then go to task manager, go to details, scroll down until you find GTA 5. Let's say that this is GTA 5. Wait, where is it? Let's say that this is GTA 5. Right click on it, set priority, make it high. I don't mean to do it to this one, just scroll down until you find GTA 5 and right click on it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.